You're not gonna drink water. You can't drink water. Drink water. Sit. Sit on that. You go out. You don't sit. Yes. Drink water. Are you speaking Tagalog? No. We are speaking Tagalog. Guys, what the heck? Fuck you. I'm so sorry because I'm emo so much. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Bye.